but there it is. Okay.
Oh. So I did not seat the tire correctly, and what does that mean?
So it means that the tire is not sitting on the rim evenly all the way around, so it kind of has a hop, and sometimes that happens. It's okay, but what I'm going to do is I just take the air out, and what helps too is just kind of putting soapy water on it. It wasn't seated properly.
Okay.
Right? So when you put air in the tires, it means that part right here on the tire called the bead, it's like a wire.
Right.
It's not sitting on the rim properly, and then it'll make the tire kind of wobbly. Right?
Okay.
And so that means sometimes you have to deflate it, and then you know, do what I did, like putting soapy water to kind of help it seat properly. But sometimes to get things to seat properly, sometimes you need like a special tool, like a tire seating tool, you know, so that you can use it to grab it. It can be a real pain in the butt sometimes to get a tire to seat properly. I hate it. So I just put soapy water on there. So, and with the compressor, let's see if it'll seat properly now. Right. Fingers crossed it does, because I hate this. There it is. Okay. So that's, way to fix that. That's easy. So it's sticking up by the valve. All I need to do...
I see that. It's a little thicker right there.
So all I need to do really is just push the valve in further to get that to...
Okay.
Actually, it's easy when it's at the valve. All right. So I'm just going to push it in
so
like
you're gonna
that.
wedge it.
All right. I just deflated it further. All right, let's try again. It's a lot of just trial and error. Just do it until...
Back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, I think I got it. Yep, it's seated now.
Yay.
See, you could tell because
It's
you can
all
see
even?
a line.
The line is all even.
Yeah, you don't want to pay attention to the reflective strip because, especially on Schwalbe's, the reflective strip tends to be kind of warpy and uneven. What you want to pay attention to is this little line. That's where the bead is. And so if you could see that line, which I can see it, then it means that the tire is properly
It's all
seated.
even. Okay.
So now it's happy, and you can see it doesn't wobble. Before it was wobbling.
That's good. Good news.